In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit labels in Microsoft Loop. Microsoft Loop is a versatile tool that helps you organize and collaborate on projects more efficiently. Whether you're collaborating with a team or working solo, understanding how to effectively manage labels can significantly enhance your productivity and clarity. So, let's dive right in. First things first, you're going to need to open your preferred web browser and search for Microsoft Loop. Once you've located it, click the link to open the page. If you haven't logged in yet, go ahead and sign in using your Microsoft account credentials. This step is crucial as it ensures you have access to all your projects and tools within Microsoft Loop. Now that you're logged in, the next step is to ensure that the column you want to edit is set up as a label column type. This feature in Microsoft Loop helps you organize data neatly. If, by any chance, your column isn't already a label type, don't worry. You can easily add a new column and configure it by selecting Label as the column type. This setup allows you to keep things organized and visually intuitive. Once you've got your column sorted as a label type, it's time to focus on the specific label you wish to edit. Navigate to the cell of the label you want to make changes to. A simple click inside the cell will activate it, allowing further interaction. If you need to rename an existing label, it's as easy as selecting the label and typing in the new name. It's as straightforward as renaming a file, and it's pretty convenient. Just keep in mind that this action will affect all instances of that specific label color within the Loop component. So think through the renaming if you're working on a shared project to maintain clarity throughout for everyone involved. Now, there might be cases where you no longer need a particular label. Removing a label is just as effortless. You'll notice an X right next to the label. All you need to do is click that X to remove the label completely. This action declutters your project board and keeps your labels relevant to your current tasks or project phase. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to editing labels in Microsoft Loop. By making these small but significant adjustments, you'll enhance not only how you interact with your projects, but also how effectively you can communicate with your team. Remember, a well-organized project is a successful project. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and feel more confident in managing your labels in Microsoft Loop. Thanks for watching and happy organizing!